Berry there. Welcome to another Dirty Berry Top 10 social media review. So let's get right into it. Number 10, Pampute soca single. People, me no know away, me did art there, but Pampute released a soca song some months ago called My Name is Soca. But just since last week it really started share.
My name is Soca, watch me rolling boom pa. When me twist and spin up the man, them a sing why no but them don't. Me go tell you why me name Soca. From Trinidad back to Jamaica, I believe it.
Big up the downtown tights there and your backup dancer them. Number 9, Rihanna endorses cake soap. So a particular Rihanna picture from the 2014 Vogue Brazil released on Facebook last week, and it became so popular just because of that one thing. Cake soap. This is what you are called a high fashion shoot. Take a look good glamorous girl and fling her in a one pop down location and bam, it's art. Number 8, Miss Jamaica mom-daughter duo showdown. So both these Miss Jamaicas recently posted side-by-side baby pictures of themselves and them daughter, right? And the resemblance people, they just turn up. Sister, sister. Siendi and her daughter Israelia. And Karel and Fear daughter Naima Courtney. Yeah, that's how you pronounce. So people look on the picture them and tell me which pair more resemble. Number 7, Wind the Rent Away. Oh gosh, no man people, me no time hard, but that's how things rough that woman a fear wine for them rent. The poor old man lie down on the bed like him hard just a wait for the second coming. And that big woman just step on top of him a trampoline and a bubble him out for all the rent is worth.
I hate that lyric.
Any the poor old man there, the dead on the bed there, she should have get charged for murder. And Papa look like him and enjoy it too, you know. Roly poly to him thing. Number 6, another get a girl fight.
What an idea, yeah. Move your blood. Move your blood.
No man, as some of them friends more. My girl rush out with the rake like says she's a javelin thrower at the Olympics. A wedding maga girl could have do so make everybody in the entire community a bomb rush her.
Oh yeah. What the hell? What the? What the?
As awful as this fight is, at least it shows that them have some ride or die friends. Number 5 students kissing in Trinidad. So them 2 Trinidad schoolers here in a one community about some serious young and restless kissing. And have them poor third wheel don't have no man friend round the corner a watch.
Them forgetting it's a public place.
Finally, after what seemed like hours, the friend pop round the corner and tell them to really wrap it up. My friend round the vex, you know, because she not getting action.
Look the friend, what your friend? What your friend? What your friend do?
But not like the girl, the life rough. You know how messed up it is for everybody around you going with things and you just did it like, I don't want to wait in vain for your love. Number 4, the bank tax drama with Peter and Portia. Lord knows I love me some Portia, but it look like she need to revert to the 6-day notice something there or just stop speaking on national issues. Because the little time she try to confront the country and talk about the little bank tax measures, this is what we get.
That's like the bank charge is not like, I think some persons believe that if you go to the ATM, say 4 times for the month, you'll have to pay. And my understanding is that I think the minister...
You know what that coming like? You know when you just don't learn a topic and the teacher pick on you in the class for explain all of what you did teach earlier, but you never did listen, so you just try for freestyle chat and hope say you say something correct by being as vague as possible.
Dirty Berry, what is biology?
Biology is that science thing. Not even Peter Phillips' brain could have crossed it.
$100 could be what, 10 cents.
Number 3, Tony Mataran Instagram vids. The dancehall selector Tony Mataran have a thing by Instagram called After Dark. People, I'm convinced that Tony Mataran in his past life was a big skettle.
The people them say some girl be a passport picture there on them Instagram like what the rest of the body there. It don't look good.
It don't look good. All the one here had me on the floor.
What are we of the people them say we talk about some dunce girl we can't even help to fit them with them homework. After the pitness say, Mommy, how I spell rat? Hear the mother. R-O-T.
Number 2, pregnant at road match. Me not 100% sure how I feel about that one, yeah. On one hand, it is cool to see a woman enjoy herself during her pregnancy. But on the nether hand, me box foot, my girl look like she about to pop any minute. Then again, who the box foot am I to tell? For all I know, I could have just gas up in her belly. I only get a girl. Do not hard try this at home. Puss and dog don't have the same look. Uptown people can just wear a plain white shirt, one little slippers and one jeans, and then will still look classy. May I you do it and we look like we're homeless. Now people, it's time to check out my random video of the week.
For just $1 a day, you can get this poor girl a decent meal. Call now at 1-800-SOME-FOOD.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Tessan, aka Chinita Goodas, and you are watching the Dirty Berry Show. Keep it locked. No.
And number 1 goes to Mom Beach Child! Yeah. Well, not supposed to be screaming for that. That was awful. So this 12-year-old girl got a fine beating from her mother just because she posted some raunchy pictures of herself on Facebook. People, we could watch the whole night because it did bring up too much painful memories of me as a child.
Just encourage the wrong kind of sponsors that I do not want. For you, how old are you? Tell them how old are you?
So you know the Caribbean mom them, you know. Number 1, them start tell you exactly what you did do wrong.
So the idea that you are sending on Facebook, don't tell a picture the second.
Number 2, whatever you did do wrong, them going connected to you, wanting man or soon get pregnant.
Serious pregnancy is something I don't want to know.
Number 3, them tell you to repeat exactly what you did do wrong. But don't do it, people. It is always a trap.
Post for them. You post them?
Number 4, asking one bag of questions when you know you are in so much pain that your mouth can barely move.
Where the panty supposed to be?
And finally, the Kimbo. Belt in a one hand and the other hand said so. Now like a little bit in the skin tough. That's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry Show. Make sure that you like, you share, you subscribe, and you comment. Our food awards is on the 29th of May, and I'll be there. My birthday is the 26th, so if you want to send me a present, feel free to do that. Big up the Fluffy Diva, Miss Kitty, la 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 la, cause we can't do it like you. Big up the, thanks so much for the big up what you give me. What if people call me and text me and say, yeah, I'm finally reached because we get endorsed by you. So take care, peeps, and have a box cover day. Oh, pre the outro video here from a virgin sickly.
I wait for the invitation, but them a tell me some lack education. Can't go to school coming on a money, and me really want to support my mama.